Do you know how to use your manual machine bobbin winder to reel thread? Do you know that this method is very easy and it actually reels perfectly and very tight reelers? Would you want to know how to do this? In this video, I'll be explaining two methods on how you could use this. You can decide to use this pressing it down like this, or you can decide to use the pin. If you want to understand how I could do this very easily, then kindly continue watching this video. I'll be showing you the two methods and you can decide on any one that is very easy for you to use. Greetings everyone, in today's video we are going to be learning how to use this instrument here on our manual machine to reel thread. This is referred to as your bobbin winder in your manual machine. To lift it up, all you have to do, you push this point up like this, and this other one goes up with it. And if you take note, this part actually spins when you turn it around. And to bring it down, you don't need to take this part down like this. You just press this part down and the other one comes down with it. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my bobbin. This is my bobbin, also referred to as your reeler. I'm going to take a thread. I'm going to roll it around my bobbin using my free hand. I rolled it a bit much so it doesn't just pull off. So next, I'm just going to take this part up like this, and I'm going to insert this in. And the next thing you are going to do, you are going to take it down here like this. I'm going to pass it underneath this part like this. So now I'm just going to fix the thread. I don't want any excess, so I'm just going to fix it like this. Please, you're going to ensure that the thread that you are reeling is actually facing you. The one here is also facing you. That way you will not have to unreel instead of reel. Passing the thread here like this actually keep it in place for you while you reel. As you can see, it's not hard. It actually moves freely. You can either decide to still hold the thread in your mouth or just put it on the ground, but this actually secures the thread for you while it stays up and still spins freely and easily, as you can see. When pushing the reeler into this point like this, now you can see this, right? You will see this here at this point, and you would also see this here at this point of your reeler as well. When you push it in, you will hear this click sound that it has entered, because when you just fix it in like this, it sticks. Just press it down and this one falls in between the reeler. Alright, but just to save yourself the stress, if you don't want to be looking for this part here to be fixed into this part here, or you did it and it did not fix properly and you press it down like this, it doesn't fall automatically in between the reeler. All you have to do is to use your hands and bring it in between the reeler. So that's it. Just in case you press it down like this and it doesn't fall in between the reeler automatically, you just have to use your hands and push it in like this. That's it. So now we are all set for this. For the first method of reeling, you would have to tie this knot here. Tying it is very easy as it has a rough tip. That way it would hold down the bobbin winder while you paddle. So now when I've tied the knot, you can see that it is actually going by itself. Holding the thread down like this actually aids the reel to be evenly sprayed, and it also aids the thread not to get into the bobbin winder. So you can actually leave it, but you can actually decide to ignore the knot here and use your hand to just hold it down like this. Whichever one you decide is fine. You can just go ahead to peel to, all right, now press this point down there. So you can drop your comment and let me know in the comment section which method is easier for you. Then bring it up and whoa, you can see that our thread was perfectly reeled, and you can see from the look of it that it is very strong. When your reeler is very strong like this, it does not easily exhaust when you are sewing. So this is it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please, if you did, kindly share this video to educate your sew friends, and hey, please subscribe to the channel as it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow us on Facebook. Our page name is Chi Designs and Apparels, and our group name is So Richie. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like the video and drop a comment. Meanwhile, if you also want to see what the use of this footer is, I actually found it in my machine kit. You can actually leave a comment and I will drop a video on that. I'll make a video on how you can fix the footer and what it is used for. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, like you got value from this video, please kindly like the video and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate if you can share the video and drop a comment of what you think. Thank you so much for watching. You can just go ahead to press this down and there you are all set. But just in case you tied this part in while you were reeling, you can go ahead to loosen it up.